Now this holiday home is like Marmite. You either love it or you don't. Welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. I'm Vinny and today we're at Chesil Beach Holiday Park to take a look at the Pemberton Abingdon, a luxury holiday home here at Chesil Beach. As you can see, as you step through your main door, this is not your neutral colour palette. It's something a little bit different. We first come into the dining and kitchen area. We've got all of the appliances you could need, including fridge, freezer, over to the kitchen, including the oven, grill and hob with the extractor above, sink of course, and the dishwasher below. To this side, we have the built-in microwave and plenty of storage going all the way around, including a wine rack. And to the other side of the kitchen is the dining nook. It's all freestanding, table and 4 chairs. A really nice and unique feature are these sliding pocket doors. It allows you to shut off the lounge, creating another bedroom with a pull-out sofa bed and a really cozy space during the evenings. There's loads of storage and display shelves, a built-in fire, a spot for your television up on the wall, freestanding furniture which is super comfortable, and lots of windows bringing in natural light. Before we step into the back half of the holiday home, I just wanted to pause and take a moment to appreciate the quality of a Pemberton holiday home. The doors are solid, the door frames are solid. It's a residential specification, meaning this thing is packed with insulation. Follow me through to the bathroom. And your first door as you come down the hall is the bathroom. We've got a large walk-in shower, toilet and basin, and lots of floor space in here too. And next up is your twin bedroom with 2 good sized beds, overhead storage, a nice sized wardrobe, television point up on the wall, USB charging. It's got everything you could want in here. Also, the ability to push those beds together to create a double bed. And last but not least is the master bedroom. You've got a good sized bed in here and a real nice warm colour palette with nice fixtures, fittings and a quality feel. Featured lighting either side, and across from your bed is your wardrobe, television point and even your own vanity area. So if you've been searching for a luxury holiday home on the south coast, give us a call today to find out more about the Pemberton Abingdon or any other holiday homes available. You can catch us on 01 305 836 836 or just click the link below.